Hi, this is Burton Racing. We're going to be going over what can be removed after you've done the coil unplug conversion. That would be the ICM, the coil, and your rotor to install a delete block-off cap. Now we're going to show you how to do it. This can be done on OBD0 to OBD2 vehicles. Depending on what year it is, it'll be 2 plugs or 1 plug. We're going to be going over OBD1, which is a 2-plug connector. And most of these will be a 8mm screw holding the distributor cap on. Alright, now that we get to this step, the rotor has a Phillips head screw. The Phillips head screw sometimes is very tight, so you may need to use a Phillips head on an impact driver to remove it. This one's been removed before, so we can use a good Phillips head that won't round it off. And remove the screw. Remove the cap. Now you see the ICM and the coil. Once you get here, you can start removing the ICM wires and the coil wires. Okay, the wires we're going to be removing from inside are going to be a white and yellow, which is your ICM, and a blue wire, which will give you your RPM reference, and the black and yellow for your power to the coil. On this here, I'm going to cut it out externally from the distributor, so that way if you ever have to revert back, you can repair your harness and go back to it. Simply pull it out from the grommet. Like so. Reinstall the grommet. Like so. Now your coil is removed. The ICM. There's no extra loose parts within the distributor. Now I'm going to be going over the depinning of the ICM wire from the connector. This connector already has a lock removed, but there will be a plastic lock you remove from here. So I'm going to lightly pry away at the lock. Now you can use some type of sealant, an RTV, to fill in the grommet for those holes inside the housing, so that way no water or moisture gets inside of there affecting your components. Now you can simply reinstall your cap, your old one, or just get a delete cap, which will have a better look. Also, if you want to go a step further, we offer a 6-pin DTM connector. We do the installation of the distributor and the harness side if you want to send them in, or you can just simply purchase it from us. These are the components we remove. Like and subscribe our social media. If you have any questions, email us. Thanks for watching.